Creamy broccoli cheddar soup, cheesy goodness. Creamy broccoli cheddar soup, cheesy goodness. Few culinary pleasures can match the comforting embrace of a warm, creamy bowl of soup. And when it comes to comfort food, few soups can rival the beloved classic that is creamy broccoli cheddar soup. With its velvety texture, rich flavor, and the delightful combination of broccoli and cheddar, this soup has earned its place as a staple in kitchens and hearts around the world. In this article, we'll delve into the history, ingredients, preparation, and variations of this cheesy delight that continues to warm souls and satisfy taste buds. A brief history. The origins of creamy broccoli cheddar soup can be traced back to the United States, where it gained popularity during the late 20th century. As part of the broader trend towards convenience and comfort foods, this soup quickly became a favorite in homes and restaurants alike. Its rise to prominence can also be attributed to the increasing popularity of broccoli and cheese as complementary flavors. The combination of broccoli and cheddar cheese is not only delicious but also nutritionally balanced. Broccoli brings a healthy dose of vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber to the table, while cheddar cheese lends its rich, creamy, and slightly tangy profile. This marriage of flavors and textures has contributed to the soup's enduring appeal over the years. Ingredients and preparation. The beauty of creamy broccoli cheddar soup lies in its simplicity. The following are the basic ingredients you'll need to create this cheesy masterpiece. 1. Broccoli. Fresh broccoli florets are the star of the show. Choose vibrant green florets that are firm and free from any signs of wilting. 2. Cheddar cheese. Sharp cheddar cheese is the preferred choice for this soup due to its bold flavor. Grating the cheese fresh ensures optimal melting and distribution throughout the soup. 3. Onion and garlic. These aromatic vegetables provide the foundation of flavor for the soup. Sautéing them in butter or oil releases their natural sweetness and depth. 4. Chicken or vegetable broth. A good quality broth serves as the liquid base for the soup, adding depth and savory notes. 5. Heavy cream. To achieve the luscious creaminess that defines this soup, heavy cream is added. It creates a velvety texture and enhances the richness of the dish. 6. Seasonings. Salt, pepper, and sometimes a pinch of nutmeg or cayenne pepper are commonly used to season the soup and enhance its overall flavor profile. 7. Optional ingredients. While the above ingredients form the classic base of the soup, you can also add variations like carrots, potatoes, or cauliflower for added texture and flavor. Making the soup. Creating a batch of creamy broccoli cheddar soup is a relatively straightforward process that requires a bit of chopping, sautéing, and blending. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Prep the broccoli. Wash the broccoli florets thoroughly and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Remember to save a few florets for garnish. 2. Sauté the aromatics. In a large pot, sauté finely chopped onion and minced garlic in butter or oil until they become translucent and fragrant. 3. Add broccoli. Add the prepared broccoli florets to the pot and sauté briefly with the onion and garlic mixture. 4. Pour in broth. Pour in enough chicken or vegetable broth to cover the broccoli. Bring the mixture to a boil and then let it simmer until the broccoli is tender. 5. Blend the soup. Use an immersion blender or carefully transfer the mixture to a countertop blender to puree the soup until smooth. Exercise caution when blending hot liquids. 6. Incorporate cheese and cream. Return the blended soup to the pot and stir in the shredded cheddar cheese until melted. Then, add the heavy cream and seasonings, stirring until everything is well combined. 7. Adjust consistency and seasoning. If the soup is too thick, you can add more broth or cream to achieve your desired consistency. Taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. 8. Garnish and serve. Ladle the soup into bowls, garnishing each serving with a few reserved broccoli florets, and perhaps a sprinkle of grated cheddar cheese. Serve the soup hot, alongside crusty bread or crackers. Variations and innovations. While the classic recipe for creamy broccoli cheddar soup is undeniably delightful, there's room for culinary creativity and innovation. Here are a few variations to consider. 1. Broccoli and cauliflower. Incorporate cauliflower alongside the broccoli for a twist on the classic recipe. The combination of the two cruciferous vegetables adds complexity to both flavor and texture. 2. Spice it up. For those who enjoy a bit of heat, a pinch of cayenne pepper or red pepper flakes can provide a subtle kick to the soup. 3. Herbal infusion. Experiment with adding fresh herbs like thyme, rosemary, or tarragon during the cooking process. These herbs can elevate the flavor profile and add a touch of elegance. 4. Bacon bliss. Crispy bacon bits make for an indulgent topping that adds a smoky, savory contrast to the creamy soup. 5. Vegetarian and vegan options. To cater to dietary preferences, you can replace the chicken broth with vegetable broth and use plant-based alternatives for butter, cheese, and cream. 6. Grains and legumes. Enhance the soup's nutritional value by adding cooked grains like quinoa or barley, or even a handful of cooked lentils. In conclusion, creamy broccoli cheddar soup is a timeless comfort food that continues to captivate our palates and warm our hearts. Its combination of creamy textures, rich flavors, and nutritional value has cemented its place as a beloved classic in the culinary world. Whether enjoyed as a hearty meal on a chilly day or served as an appetizer to start a special dinner, this soup brings a sense of familiarity and satisfaction that transcends time and trends. So, don't hesitate to roll up your sleeves, grab your cooking pot, and embark on a journey to create your own bowl of cheesy goodness.